Unraveling the GRE, a beginner's guide to its structure. Hello everyone. Today, we'll be delving into the GRE, or Graduate Record Examination. If you're considering graduate school or a business degree, chances are you've come across this test. Our main focus for today is understanding the GRE General Test structure. So, let's get started. The GRE General Test is a standardized test taken by students who are planning to apply to graduate programs, be it in business or other fields. Administered by the Educational Testing Service, ETS. This test primarily evaluates verbal reasoning, quantitative reasoning, and analytical writing skills. Skills that have been developed over time and are not necessarily related to a specific field of study. Verbal reasoning. The verbal reasoning section evaluates your ability to understand written content, interpret and evaluate passages, synthesize information from multiple sources, analyze the relationships among component parts of sentences. This section is split into two parts, and you'll encounter reading comprehension questions, text completion questions, and sentence equivalence questions. Quantitative reasoning. Quantitative reasoning revolves around basic arithmetic, algebra, geometry, data analysis. It's designed to gauge how well you can understand, interpret, and analyze quantitative information, and solve problems using mathematical concepts. The section consists of multiple choice questions, quantitative comparison questions, and data interpretation sets. Analytical writing. The analytical writing portion evaluates your critical thinking skills, ability to articulate and support complex ideas, ability to support ideas with relevant reasons and examples, capability to maintain a focused and coherent discussion. It comprises two tasks: analyze an issue and analyze an argument. You'll be required to write essays on given topics, showcasing your analytical skills. The GRE General Test lasts for about 3 hours and 45 minutes, with short breaks in between. As for scoring, verbal reasoning scores range from 130 to 170. Quantitative reasoning also has a range of 130 to 170. Analytical writing is scored on a scale of 0 to 6, in half-point increments. Well, that wraps up our overview of the GRE General Test structure. Remember, understanding the structure is the first step towards effective preparation. Here's hoping that this video has shed light on what to expect. Best of luck in your preparation and test-taking journey. See you in the next video.